1 plus 4 gives us 5, and the 5 times 5 equals 25. So 25 divided by 25 is just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the rule of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one division, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 plus 4, which equals 5. So 25 divided by 5, then times 5. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So we have 5 times 5, which equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 25.